Okay, Chafeth Mwaluko, and I'm going to take you through the process of removing and replacing different parts and components of the computer. We start by remove the lint. Then from there, I'll take you through the process of removing the power supply first. And we start by screwing out the screws which are at the back. Yes, we are done with the first one. Then we do the same to the second one, and also the third one we also remove, and also we do the same to the fourth one. Then after removing the screws, we lift up the plugs connected to the power to the motherboard. Then after that, we remove all the plugs which are connected to the other components, like the ROM. Okay, we return the power supply back. Yes, by aligning it to the space where it was previously fixed. We also apply a little bit of force and align it to the holes whereby the screws were fixed. Then we connect it to the other components of the computer. We are done with powering the components of the computer.